Yo.
What's good?
I got you, bro. I'm trying that shit. Chillin'. I got you, man. Take a chair. If your chair fucked up, I'm knowing this shit ain't cold. Good, buddy. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Damn.
Yeah.
This nigga's already started.
Ain't he drunk already?
He is already started, bro.
Oh, so we the first guests at the new house, huh?
Y'all are the first guests.
Yeah.
Hey, Chad, is he tripping yet? Has he started tripping?
Yeah, hey, they hide this. He gonna start tripping.
Man, this nigga.
Yo, anyone
Don't let him.
anyone don't want to be on camera